Hello everyone, my name is Jaspal Singh and I am a STEM trainer at MD Innovators Private Limited. So today we will learn how to make games on Scratch and how you can make your own account on Scratch. First of all, we will see that what we will make today. We will make this animation that is called scrolling background vertically. So let's play. As you all can see, our background is scrolling vertically upside down. So this is the program for bat, and here for background number 1 that we have made in paint, and this is background number 2. So let's start. First of all, you have to search Scratch in your web browser and you have to click on the link that says Scratch Imagine Program and Share. After you will click on this window will appear on your screen. So how to make your own account on Scratch? For making your own account, you have to click on Join Scratch right here, and you have to type a username. So let's type. Then you have to create a password. You have to re-enter it. After you are done with the username and password, you have to click on next. The next pop-up will ask you for your country. So you have to click here and select your country. All the countries' name will appear here. So I'll select India and click on next. After that, you have to select the month and the year when you were born. After you are done, click on next. Then it will ask you your gender. Select your gender and click on next. Then last, it will ask you about your email address. Enter your email and click on create your account. So as you all can see, my account has been successfully created. It says welcome to Scratch Jaspal. So click on get started. For creating new games or animations, you have to click on create. So at the right hand side, this box is called stage, and this cat is called sprite. Sprite are generally the characters which we use in games or animations. At the left hand side, you all can see there is a category of blocks like looks, sound, variables, motion. So let's start making our game. So for that, first of all, we have to choose a sprite, a bat. So for choosing a sprite, you have to click on this option and all the characters will appear here. So we'll search here bat, click on bat. Now second, we have to make a background. In this animation, you will not choose a backdrop. We will make a backdrop as a sprite. So for making a backdrop, you have to click on sprite and choose the option paint. So right here, now we will paint. So first of all, we will change the color. Now we will make a rectangle. Make sure you are covering this whole block like this. You have to make a big black rectangle. Then next, you have to click on brush and change the color to white. So first of all, we will decrease the saturation and increase the brightness. So we are done. So you have to make small white spots that will be stars in our backdrop. Randomly make some white spots on the so I think this is enough. So now let's start with the coding. For coding, first of all, we will code for bat. So let's start. First of all, we have to go to events and select the option that says when green flag clicked. So this block is generally used to run the program. Without this block, no program will run. Then you have to go to control and select a forever block and place it under this block like this. Now we have to go to looks. In forever block, all the blocks inside the forever block will repeat themselves until the game is off. There is an option that says go to front layer. Drag it and place it inside the forever block. So it is used here to show the bat in front of the sprite that we have made, that is background. So bat should always appear in the front side. Next, now we will place a switch costume to bat D. Click on bat D and change it to bat A. Then you have to go to control and there is a block that says wait 1 second and place it here. Click on 1 and change it to 0.3. Once you have done this, you have to right click on switch costume block and click on duplicate. So I have made the duplicate of these two blocks and place it here. then I will again go to first block, switch costume to bat A and duplicate it and place it here. Now we will quickly change the costumes to A, B, C and D like this. So what we have done here, after 0.3 seconds, bat will change the costume to A to B, B to C and C to D. It will happen repeatedly because they all are inside the forever block. Next, now we will program for sprite 1 that we have made. First of all, you have to go to events, when green flag clicked and place it here. Now we are supposed to go to looks and choose the option that says go to front layer. This time you have to change it front layer to back layer. So this sprite that we have made will be always in background and bat will be in front. Now we will go to motion and there is an option that says go to X, Y. Now you have to change the values of X and Y to 0, 0. So what will happen? This sprite that is the background will come in the center. As you all can see, it is towards the right hand side and you can see the gap. When I will click on green flag, it is in the center. We can see gap at the top, so we will fix it. And now you can see the bat is changing the costume. It appears that it is flying. Now we will go to control and drag a forever block here under this block. Now we will go to motion and place a block that says change Y by 10. Yes, place it here and change it to -5. Now we will go to operators and all the mathematical conditions will appear here, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, greater than, less than. So we have to select this one and place it here randomly in the empty area. Then you have to go to control and select a conditional statement that says if then, and now you have to drag it inside this block here. Now change the count from 50 to -230 and go to motion and there is an option that says Y position, drag it here. Next we have to select go to XY, this block, and place it here. And change the Y count to -230. Sorry, it will be 180. Yes. So our background is moving upside down, you all can see. Now there is a gap between. So what we have to do now, scroll it and right click on sprite 1 and click on duplicate. So you can see we have made the duplicate of sprite 1, that is sprite 2. Now simply we have to change the two values on y-axis. First we will change here to 0 to 230 and it's all set. Now see, we will play. So our bat is appears to flying. So let's have a quick look on the program. When green flag clicked, then a forever block. Inside the forever block, these blocks will repeat themselves until we stop the game. Go to front layer. So bat is appearing in the front layer. This block is used here to appear the bat in the front layer. Then we have used the costumes block. Switch costume to bat A. First of all, the costume will be bat A, and after 0.3 seconds, wait 0.3 seconds, then it will change the costume to bat B, then 0.3 seconds bat C, then 0.3 seconds bat D, then again it will wait for 0.3 seconds and again it will change the costume to bat A. Sprite 1 that we have made. So sprite 1 will be in center. Why it will be in center? Because we have given the command here, go to x0 y0, that is in the center of the stage right here. So it will appear in center and it will be always in background. That's why we have used this go to back layer. So this sprite will always appear at the back side of the bat. In forever block, we have first place change y by -5. So the position of the background will always be decreasing by -5 on the y axis. So it will be coming downwards. If position on y axis is less than -230, then go to x0 y180. If it will go somewhere here at the bottom, 230 is here, -230, so it is supposed to go to the top again. In sprite 2 it is the same, only we have changed a command here. So go to x0 y230, it will appear in center and on y axis it will be on top. So it will start from the top and there will be no gap between the two sprites. So let's play it for final time. Thank you for watching.